Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 35 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our wonderful friends at DeAgostini. Now if you'd like to build this along with me, click this link all the way along there. Head over to their website and take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/6 scale Shelby GT. Right, let's have a quick looky-kins at what we've got in here. Shelby and the Ford in the 21st century even. There's Carroll Shelby there himself, the legend. Lots of blurbage in here. Give these a read, folks. They are worth it. Very sleek shape there. This was the Shelby Cobra of 2004. This was the Shelby GR1 concept car. There you go. And a front-mounted V10 engine and rear-wheel drive. What a thing of beauty. This is what we've got today, folks. We've got the rear tyre. So you've got all the tyre itself, the inner support rings, etc., etc. So we'll show you how we build that and get that all in place and where it's going to be located on your model. Okay. At the end of it, we're going to have the tyre assembly ready for when we then insert the wheel rim. Okay. This is monster trucks, big wheel mayhem. Beast of a thing, isn't they? Look at that. Him stood in there. That's Bigfoot, if I remember rightly. Yeah. It was built in 1975. Didn't realise it was that long ago. If you saw them coming towards you, you would certainly run a mile, wouldn't you? But yeah, unbelievable monster truck competitions that they run. Then you got the dragsters with the straight line shootouts. Again, you know, you're basically strapping yourself to an engine and going as fast as you can, aren't you? It's madness. But they are beautiful. And it's that top fuel. It's that, yeah, spectacular. I mean, look at that. All the flames coming out of it and everything. Unbelievable. So that's the magazine. We'll quickly scoot back and grab our parts and do a quick bit of assembly and see what we can do today, folks. Okay. All right. This is what we've got then. So you've got your two ring sections that go inside the tyre. So you basically want to feed these in at a slight jaunty angle like that. Okay. Start feeding them in and around the tyre and they will pop into place, folks, okay? A little bit of persuasion at first, but they will go. We'll just pop that in like that, and then we can then use our thumb just to push it back into the tyre. And the reason we got these is the car itself, the kit, weighs a hell of a lot. So you kind of want to give these tyres a bit of support. The same again. Put that in there like that and we start feeding it in and around to get that to go into place, folks, okay? It's a little bit of a pressure fit to get the last one in, but they do fit, folks, okay? And just bring the tyre up like so and then just pop that corner in like so. And then you'll just twist in with your left hand and popping that in with your thumb. And it will pop straight in like so. And then use your fingers just to splay them apart. And then these clips will then feed in here and give you a resounding click as you lock them in place, okay? And this will tension these and spread these apart to give the tyre a bit of stiffness, okay? Same again, tapered fit, press it in, and then using both your thumbs, give it a lock like that. And that will give you a nice solid tyre. Now, if you've stretched your tyre, it will go back, it will heal, it will find its own shape. And don't forget, when the wheel rim itself goes in, it will pull this all in for you. So don't worry. But that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue there. Rear tyre, ready to go. Waiting for the rim, and we'll be putting that together in the next issue, folks. In the meantime, if you'd like to grab this Partwork for yourself, follow the link here all the way to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link just below in the description. Also, folks, click the little festa just there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it, folks. I am getting close to a little milestone on my channel, so yeah, it really helps me out. Also, ring the bell there, folks. That will let you know of any future content. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.